I survived the belly fat battle. How I transformed my body in just 15 minutes a day. Ever felt like belly fat was your ultimate nemesis? I've been there. I spent countless hours searching for the perfect workout that would help me shed those stubborn pounds, and let me tell you, it was a journey. But through perseverance and a bit of science, I discovered a method that truly worked. I spent weeks testing and tweaking. My journey started with a simple question: can 15 minutes of walking really make a difference? I committed myself to a daily 15-minute walk, and at first, it seemed almost too easy. However, as I learned more about the science behind calorie burn and metabolism, I realized this was more than just a stroll. I saved time and gained results. In those 15 minutes, I incorporated high-intensity intervals. For the first 5 minutes, I walked at a moderate pace, then I increased my pace for the next 5 minutes. And finally, I sprinted as hard as I could for the last 5 minutes. This method, known as interval walking, increased my heart rate and significantly boosted my calorie burn. I built a routine that works. Consistency was key. I made sure to walk every day at the same time, which helped me establish a routine. The beauty of this routine was that it fit perfectly into my busy schedule. No fancy equipment was needed, just a good pair of walking shoes and a commitment to my health. I got incredible results. Within a few weeks, I noticed visible changes. My belly fat started to decrease, and my overall body felt leaner and more toned. But it wasn't just physical. Mentally, I felt more energized and motivated. Walking had become my stress reliever, and the positive changes were undeniable. Motivational takeaways. If you're struggling with stubborn belly fat, here's my advice. Start small, begin with 15 minutes a day and gradually increase the intensity. Stay consistent, make it a part of your daily routine to build lasting results. Track your progress, use a fitness tracker to monitor your steps, calories burned, and overall progress. Want to optimize your routine? Are you in a busy life? Fresh Juice Original solves it. Make fresh smoothies anywhere with over 100 5-star reviews, plus enjoy free shipping. Check the link in the description to get yours now. Facing pain, low energy, or mobility issues? Strength Training for Seniors offers 45+ easy exercises to boost strength and confidence. Get your copy with 5-star reviews and free shipping now. Link in description. Looking to boost your fitness? The fitness tracker solves the problem of tracking your health metrics effortlessly. Monitor calories, steps, and sleep with this waterproof smart band. It's a game changer for staying on top of your fitness goals. By dedicating just a small portion of your day to this routine, you can achieve incredible results and transform your body. Remember, the journey might be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. Embrace the process, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish.